Hi guys, it's Stock Curry, and in today's video I'm going to give you everything that you need to know for Monday and this week, including what economic data is coming out, what earnings are coming up, where I see cryptocurrency going, and where I see Nio bottoming out at. So let's get into it! Okay, when it comes to economic data that's coming out, on Friday we have the January jobs report, and the White House has already warned that the January's Omicron spike could cause the unemployment numbers to come in much higher than normal. Normally, a bad jobs report will cause the stock market to rise because it makes the Fed raising interest rates less likely. So we'll have to see just how much of the Omicron spike is priced into the stock market on Friday. Now next week we have the CPI inflation numbers coming out for January, and those inflation numbers are expected to be higher than December because the price of oil and gas rose significantly in January. That should cause the stock market to go down because it would give the Fed more reason to raise interest rates in order to fight inflation. So for this week I see the stock market being green, but the next week I see the stock market being red. Regardless, it's really going to come down to how earnings come out this week, and boy oh boy do we have some major players reporting earnings this week. On Tuesday before the open, we've got ExxonMobil and UPS reporting earnings, and both of these companies are really good at getting indicators to how the overall economy is doing, especially UPS, because how much shipping takes place can be a really good indicator as to how much products and goods are flowing around the country. Then after the close, we have AMD, PayPal, and Alphabet. Now the big one is Alphabet, because they are such a mega cap company, they can really move the markets, just like Apple did last week. Then Wednesday after the close, we have Meta, which is Facebook, and then Qualcomm, Spotify. Meta's the big one. That is another big company that can move the markets. And then Thursday after the close, we have Amazon, Ford, Snap, Pinterest, Activision, Unity, a bunch of big companies. But the big one is going to be Amazon. Again, another company that can move the markets all by itself. So we have some major earnings coming out this week that can completely move the markets depending upon each one goes. Now, the other thing that could move the markets this week and next week is the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Regarding the Russia-Ukraine conflict, Tom Nash said he does not think Russia will invade Ukraine, because if they do, it would be really bad for everybody. Regardless, Tom Nash thinks oil and gas prices will continue to rise due to the risk of a possible war. Now, regarding cryptocurrencies, Keenan Grace warned that the crypto could be entering a crypto winter and said prices could go down more. Despite the dip, Larry Jones said that if you were happy buying cryptocurrencies at double the price that they're trading at now, you should be ecstatic to buy crypto at the current prices. Everybody wants a dip so they can buy crypto at a lower price. But then when the dip comes, everybody panics and nobody buys because they're afraid it might go lower. And then they end up missing out on the low prices. So Larry Jones is buying. He said he's not loading up, but he's dollar cost averaging in. And the reason he's dollar cost averaging in is so if crypto prices continue to go lower, he'll slowly get better and better prices. But if crypto rebounds and starts going up again, then he'll be very happy that he actually bought some at the bottom. More specifically, StockMo said that he saw crypto rebound last week, with Bitcoin up 7%, Ethereum up 5%, and Sandbox up a massive 30%. Now, StockMo sold all of his Bitcoin and he moved his money into altcoins, with his largest investment in Sandbox. StockMo also likes Decentraland, ticker MANA, which is up over 20% over the past week. Now, crypto did fall on Sunday, so we'll have to see if cryptocurrency can actually break through resistance, get above those 10-day and 21-day EMEs, and go on a new bull run, or if it's just going to reject, bounce off of those levels, and continue going down. This week will be really crucial to get an indication on where cryptocurrency is going to go over the next few weeks. Now, the one stock I did want to talk about is Nio, which is Nio. This is a Chinese EV manufacturer. StockMo said he is thinking about loading up on Nio. Now, he acknowledged that Nio is a falling knife technically, but said that because Nio is oversold in the RSI, he feels like Nio is getting to a major oversold territory. StockMo also looked at how the price to sales ratio is below 10, which fundamentally makes Nio cheaper than other Chinese EV stocks such as LI and XPEV. Finally, StockMo is looking at tip ranks and how the average analyst one-year price target is $65, which represents a massive 211% upside potential from Friday's closing price. So for all of those reasons, StockMo is planning to load up on Nio. He understands that it can continue to drop in the short term, but he said he is patient and he's going to take advantage of the current dip to buy NIO at a price well below where he ever thought it would get to. And long term, Keenan Gray said the fact that NIO is already in the largest EV market in the world in China and is planning to expand into the second largest EV market in Europe is going to cause the stock to print for those who buy it now. Now I want to do some Fibonacci retracement analysis to try to figure out where NIO might bottom out and how far it might go back up before it hits another level of resistance. So if we assume that NIO topped out at $66.99 and it bottomed out on Friday at $19.33, then we can expect a retracement up 50% back to the resistance level of $43.16. My only problem with this is on my chart, I've got 5 orange horizontal lines, which represent actual horizontal support and resistance levels for NIO. And if we look at this Fibonacci chart, it does not actually line up that well with any of the horizontal lines. We kind of line up at 50% and 23.6%, but not extremely well. So I drew another retracement which perfectly lines up at 38.2% and 23.6%, which are support and resistance levels at $35.34 and $27.86. And on this Fibonacci retracement, we have NIO bottoming out at $15.77, pointing to more downside at NIO. Now that's one possibility. Another possibility is this Fibonacci retracement, which perfectly lines up at 38.2% and 23.6% at 3107 and 2258. And in this Fibonacci retracement, we have NIO dropping down to $8.87. But the Fibonacci retracement that lines up the best is this one. On this one, we actually have 4 touch points. We have one at 68.8%, 50%, 38.2%, and 23.6%. Those 4 lines are at 43.17, 35.81, 28.46, and 19.35, which is where NIO bottomed out on Friday. So we have 4 touch points on this Fibonacci retracement, which makes this one the most likely scenario. Now in this scenario, either NIO bottoms out here at 19.35, or it breaks below this support level and bottoms out at a very low $4.64. Now I know it seems crazy, like NIO would never ever get down to $4.64, but you have to understand that back in 2020, NIO was trading between $1 and $3. So for NIO to get down to $4.64 is actually not nearly as crazy as it sounds, especially if this bear market continues for another 6 to 9 months. So in this scenario, if this Fibonacci retracement is the one that holds up, then what we can expect is for NIO to trade flat for the next couple of weeks, maybe even the next month, bouncing between $19 and $25 over the next month, before finally breaking below $19.35 and falling all the way down to $4.64. Now, in this scenario, that trading flat for the next month would actually allow the RSI to rise back up towards 40, which would fix the oversold problem that we have currently with the RSI. So again, whether NIO bottoms out here at 1935 and keeps going up, or whether NIO trades flat for the next month before falling further, either way, I think we have a great opportunity to make money on NIO here. And that would be by selling a credit bull put spread with an $18/$19 spread. With that, so long as NIO closes at or above $19, say by February 18th or even a month from now, you will make money on this play. And I think that's probably the best way to make money with NIO at the current time. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and got a lot out of it. Comment down below what you think the stock market is going to do this week. And I just want to give one word about making predictions in the market and stocks and all this other stuff. A lot of people have seen a lot of YouTubers make fairly negative predictions on the market, given the fact the market is tanking, the NASDAQ is down 15%, the Russell 2000 is in bear territory, and everything just looks like it's going to continue to drop. A lot of people are saying, oh, this is FUD, I don't want to hear this. They're basically plugging the ears, going la 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 la, don't want to hear it. And I gotta tell you this, anytime you buy or sell a stock, you are making a prediction on the market. Anytime you buy or sell a cryptocurrency, you're making a prediction on the crypto. Anytime you buy or sell an option, you're making a prediction on that option. If you buy a stock, crypto, or option, you are predicting that that stock, crypto, or option is going to go up in the future. And if you sell a stock, crypto, or option, you are predicting that that stock, crypto, or option is going to go down in the future, or at the very least, it won't go up as much as some other thing you want to invest in. And so anytime you buy or sell, you're making a prediction in the markets. Now, if somebody comes out and they make a prediction that the market or a stock is going to go down, don't panic, don't freak out, don't just say, oh, FUD, I don't want to hear it. Use that as an opportunity to find some way to maybe short the market or hedge or make money on the way down. There's money to be made in any market. So if a bunch of people are saying the market's probably going to keep going down, it's time to jump in and make money. And so the best way to make money if the market does continue to go down is with things like an inverse ETF, SOXL or something like that, SQQQ. You could buy VXX or UVXY, all different ways to make money when the market goes down. It's not a time to panic or freak out. It's a time to make money. So get excited. If people say the market's going down, get excited. Let's get some short positions and let's make some money. So that's what I want to say about predictions. Don't get fearful. Don't call it FUD. Don't just say, I don't want to hear it. Use it to make some money. All right, guys, I hope this video helped you out. I want to remind you that if you want more personalized help, intraday help, if you want more than just one video a night, jump in our free Discord. We have a free Discord where we have almost 2,000 people now. It's amazing. Discord's been up for 3 weeks. We've got almost 2,000 people in the Discord. Go jump in the free Discord. You can sign up at stockcurry.vip/Discord. There's just a real quick application you got to fill out. The only reason the application is there is to prevent scammers. Truth is, everybody who applies gets approved. And also, if you're looking for a broker to trade with, you can sign up for Webull using my link in the description below. When you sign up for Webull and deposit just $1, Webull's going to send you 3 free stocks worth up to $3,300. Now, in addition to that, when you make your first crypto trade, you're going to get $5 in free cryptocurrency with Webull. And if you're not a U.S. resident, or if you're looking to trade OTC penny stocks, then I recommend Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is a highly discounted trading platform. Trades start at just $1 Canadian, 4 euros, or 6 Australian dollars, depending upon where you live. And both Webull and Interactive Brokers both offer the full pre-market and after-hours trading from 4 a.m. until 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, I do want to remind you that I have material connections with both of those, so whenever you sign up for either one, not only are you getting a great broker to trade with, you're also helping me to continue to produce these great videos for you. Now, finally, I want to remind you to hit that like button, subscribe, and follow the page if you haven't already. I hope you have a lot of success trading, and I will see you on Wednesday. Just a note, I will not have a video on Tuesday. I actually have a church event, so the next video will be on Wednesday. Have a great night and a lot of success trading.